With the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear student, friend, follower, I'm your coach, I'm your trainer, Sarana. Our contact number is 0305 You can contact with us if you wish. Our contact number is 0305 Dear student, आज हम बात करेंगे आइल्स के बारे में. Lot of students they are sending their request record video on IELTS. IELTS stand for International English Language Testing System. IELTS stands for International Language Testing System. So let's see one by one. So this is our academy. If you are interested to contact with us, our contact number is 0305, and you can even text us. You can join our English classes, especially IELTS, TOEFLs, or MA English, BS English, MPhil, or just like thesis writing course. So let's see what is IELTS. I want to guide you about IELTS. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, and it is conducted by British Council Local Examination Syndicate. You can either appear through Australian Council or British Council. So it totally depends upon you whether you are appearing through Australian Council or British Council. So here are 4 portions: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. As you know that especially listening, and then there is reading. So these both skills are known as receptive skills. These are receptive skills, while these two skills, these are known as productive skill. So you have to prepare yourself these two main skills, both receptive and productive skills. So you have to prepare yourself. Some points. So what is reading? If you want to appear in reading, so to what extent you've got a time in your test. In writing, to what extent you've got a time in a way to appear in an exam. And listening, speaking. First of all, you have to take date from British Council, either British Council or Australian Council. Once you have taken date will be given to you by British Council or Australian Council. That about 1 month or 15 days, and it totally depends you. So you can either take 15 days or 1 month like that date, and after that you have to appear. So first of all, let's talk about the listening, which is when you especially appear in exam, first test is conducted especially by British Council, that is listening. And listening, it has 40 minutes, and here are 3 sections: 1, 2, and 3. Section 1 and section 3. Section 1 is easy, while section 3 is difficult. So at the end of the time, you'll be given 10 extra minutes to transfer your answer on the booklet. So you'll be provided separate booklet, and you'll be given 3 minutes. So within 3 minutes you have to appear these 3 sections, and once you've completed, you will be given extra sheet. You will transfer your answer into the booklet, extra booklet that will be given to you. So don't worry, you'll be provided 10 minutes for that. Overall there are 40 minutes, so 30 minutes will be consumed especially on your exam, especially listening exam, and after that you'll be given extra 10 minutes. Then we talk about writing. In writing, we have a 3 section like that: 1, 2, and 3. And the first section is difficult, but the third one is tricky and difficult. So in writing, you can either adopt journal modules or academic modules. So once you take journal module, it's for the person who is going for a business and like that, but the other is academic once you going for the study. So it's a difficult one. So one will be easy, but the third task will be very difficult. So around about it has 60 minutes. So within 60 minutes you have to solve 40 questions. So based on the passage there will be 40 questions and you will have to solve. And general modules, it will be easy, it will be in the chunks forms, it will be easy and you can attempt easily. But academic, it will be difficult, you need to make a lot of practice. Then we have right reading task. So let's discuss about the reading. We've got reading task. In reading task we have the sections like that, 3 sections, and we have to attempt like that. It's also, so first will be easy but the second will be difficult, like that. So first will be easy and the third will be difficult. So let's see now writing task. In writing you have academic, and then you have general trainings. So here will be 2 sections. One one section, one is just like a letter if you appearing in academic in general, and if you're appearing in academic, then here will be a report. You have to write report writings. So say task 1 and task 2. Task 2 will be essay, and essay round about 250. So either you are appearing in general or academic, essay will be same. Essay will be 250, like that word you have to write, but here you have to write 150 words, either report or letter. That depends on the module you are appearing, whether you are appearing in academic or general. Then speaking, if we talk about speaking consists of 14 minutes, and here speaker will be having intro from you, and plus there will be individual discussions, and plus there will be individual speaking. You will be given topics and you have to speak, and then there will be discussions. On the basis of the topic you will be given, you will be having discussion. He'll be having discussion. We will be raising some question, and don't worry, because the topic will be given. You'll be giving you 2 to 3 minutes to prepare the topic. For example, you can write some points if you wish. So that's how you can appear in exam. Hope you got the point and you have learned.